It's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking for an awesome dish soap that leaves your dishes sparkling and clean? Well, check out Mrs.Meyer's Rose Scented Dish Soap. This is by SC Johnson Wax. I love the scent of this because it leaves my hands feeling like fresh roses on a spring day. It brings me so much joy just having a little scent, a little something to perk me up when I have to clean. I love the fact that this lathers really quickly, and just a little bit of the soap goes a very long way. I've had this 16-ounce bottle for a month or two, and this really has cleaned everything from my sink to my dishes, and I love just having this sitting on my sink. It looks pretty, and because it's a long cylinder bottle, it doesn't take up too much space, so it's also very convenient. I love the fact that the ingredients in here were made very thoughtfully. They even list it for me on the bottle. So this really is amazing. It does not aggravate my abused skin. I would know because I always get nicks and scratches, and this never seems to make it worse. So if you're looking for a dish soap that just brightens your day, definitely check this one out. I think it works. And that's my point of view.